The India Festival Tours are the best choice to witness the vivid lifestyle of locals, rich Indian culture, traditions, and at the same time you get the insight to the most popular tourist places and destinations of India. Today we take you on one of a such Diwali Festival of Lights Tour, which is one of the most beloved and popular festivals in India. You will be the part of the celebration and enjoy Diwali, the Festival of Lights, as a tourist on a tour in India with a local family. Before we proceed, please do like, share, comment on this video and please subscribe our YouTube channel for informative travel videos. Let me tell you why Hindus celebrate the Festival of Lights Diwali. As per the most popular legend from the Hindu epic book of Ramayana, Diwali marks the day when Lord Rama with his wife Sita and younger brother Lakshmana returned back to his kingdom Ayodhya after ending an exile of 14 years. People decorated their houses with oil lamps and butter lamps to show their happiness and love for Lord Shri Rama. And this is how the Festival of Lights Diwali started in Hindu culture. The local bazaars are full with decorative items from electric lights to clay lamps, eagerly purchased by people to decorate their homes and workplaces during the Diwali festive season. During Diwali, Indian sweets and thoughtful gifts are exchanged with neighbors and loved ones, fostering a sense of warmth and togetherness, symbolizing the spirit of sharing and joy that defines the festival. Diwali, the Festival of Lights Tour by Summit Safari India, takes you to celebrate the festival right into the homes of locals, where you are welcomed and greeted traditionally. You participate in the local festivities, joining the family to create traditional rangoli patterns on the floor using vibrant flowers or colors. Certainly, you can join the family for a culinary and cooking experience, exploring traditional recipes and creating delicious dishes all together. You can dress up in traditional attire, immersing yourself in the vibrant colors and intricate designs of Indian clothing. Singing and dancing on the Hindi Bollywood songs create the festive ambience, allowing you to fully experience the rich cultural heritage of Diwali celebrations. You are given an introduction to the religious beliefs, following the family's traditions by worshipping Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity. It is also believed that on this day, Lakshmi, who is the goddess of wealth, pays a visit to everybody's house. Therefore, people decorate their houses to welcome and pray her to seek her blessings. Following the prayer, the night comes alive as you join the family around a bonfire, sharing stories and laughter. The sky lights up with colorful fireworks, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness. making the Diwali celebrations truly magical and memorable. After the enchanting festivities, you join the family for a delightful dinner, savoring traditional dishes and exchanging cheerful conversations. Find the details of Summit Safari India, the travel experts, in the description of this video, and please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for informative travel videos. See you on another adventure through India. Till then, bye bye.